Hi guys, and today we have another basic unboxing video, and this is a SmallRig attachable CPL filter with T-mount filter adapter for 67mm filters, and this is by SmallRig. Sorry guys, I just need to use my scissors for this, if we can find them. Can I find my scissors or something similar? Not quite, but let me just... Okay, let's have a look what we have. Oh, okay. What's in it? Okay, this is the magnetic adapter. Okay, I've already got this, to be fair, with my SmallRig cage. I guess it doesn't harm getting another one. Okay, some cloth, some filter series, explanation manual. What type of filters do you got? Okay, not interested in that. And the most important thing is this bad boy. So this is a CPL, or basically kills reflection, magnetic CPL reflection killer. So I need this so I kill my reflection of the videos that I'm recording, and this basically attaches to the lens like this. Oh, you can tell it's working already. Like, actually quite nice quality looking at the first time. But yeah, so then you screw this to your small cage, and then I presume this would fit most of the cages for the phones. Oh, it's a strong magnet, by the way. Yeah, I don't know if you can attach other filters to this one. Let me just see. Bear with me. So if you want to put like a magnetic end on the top, you'll probably do it the other way around anyway, but let me just try and give it a go. So I got a bit of an ND filter. This is a 1000 ND, 67mm. Oh, works like a charm actually. It's a very strong magnet. Look, I'm just pulling it with the ND filter. Look at that. Oh my god. Okay. Yeah, so overall quite happy with the purchase. Again, I purchased this from AliExpress. I didn't buy this from Amazon. This is a non-sponsored video. I don't get any incentive for this, so I buy these posts myself. Oh, sorry guys, there's something else in there. Oh, this is a threaded adapter as well. So if you go threaded socket, then you need to adapt your magnetic threads. So if you got magnetic one of these, thread one of these, you can screw this on and it becomes magnetic. So this actually comes all three pieces, they come as one. So yeah, it's actually quite a good purchase. I think I might have paid like something like £10 on AliExpress, and yeah, it did take quite a few days. I think it took about 2 weeks to get it. Like, I'm quite pleased with the quality. It looks quite nice quality as well. So yeah, so that's about it about this unboxing video. Sorry that it took so long. I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, this is a non-sponsored video, so if you did like it, please like and subscribe, because this will allow me to make more videos as such. But for now, take care, have a good night. Bye.